It's creepy.
So that's us looking at the baby. The skeleton eye picture. This is why we don't do 3D pictures, just to let you guys know.
Because they look really weird.
Because they look really creepy and freak out parents. So, oh, there's a big yawn.
Oh
There we
my
go.
goodness.
That was cute.
I got
That
that
was so
one.